Thirikari nene na ya kaunti ya Nairobi ire mihango-ini ya kung'ethanira na mihatikano iria ikoragwo mucii wa Nairobi na kurunga ruhonge rwa ukui.
We are trying to change our behavior in urban environments. We are trying to turn urban environments into social spaces. We want ownership of urban environments by human beings and not motor vehicles.
Kuma mweri-ini wa keri, thiku cia Jumatano na Jumamothi o kiumia irikoragwo ire mithenya ya andu gutwikania mucii wa Nairobi hatari kuhuthira ngari cia andu kiumbe ona kana ngari cia ukui wa muingi. Mweke uyu uriheagwo endia a miariro mahure biacara makiria tauni gatagati ta barabara-ini cia University Way, Moi Avenue, Haile Selassie na Uhuru Highway.
And that is why we have come up with this concept of the Car Free Day, where we are hoping to bring on board 100,000 of what we used to call hawkers with an expected annual turnover of over 3.8 billion shillings annually.
Juma yukite endia a miariro makiria ya 5,000 magitanywo kugunekana kundu gwa kwenderia haria harigiceirio ni barabara cia Moi Avenue, City Hall Way, Taifa Road na Harambee Avenue.
You could be selling tomatoes, you could be selling your clothes, you could be selling shoes, so you need to assemble your stall in different days, in different ways, and these are all designed. And then in the evening, and by evening initially we were saying at about 4 o'clock, but in the long term we expect it to go on as long as there is demand for business.
Nige ona aruti wira a thirikari amwe marirutaga wira muthenya na angi utuku ari njira ya kunyihia mihatikano.
We will be able to reduce traffic congestion by as much as 20%.
Ni ikinya rirehokwo ri gukorwo na kiguni kuri aikari ya Nairobi kuria ciringi milioni 50 citwikaga ciuragira uhuthiri-ini wa maguta na mihatikano-ini ya ngari. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.